Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Monstra CMS version 3.0.4 on Linux Mint 18.3. Monstra is an open source, modern and lightweight CMS application that is easy to install, upgrade within a few steps, and then it contains various API for plugins, themes and core development, and it also supports several administrators, editors and users, and then it is SEO friendly and supports multiple levels of security for the content. Okay, now let us see how to install Monstra CMS version 3.0.4 on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, first of all we have to download the Monstra CMS package using the wget command. The download is going on. After downloading, we have to extract this download directory using the unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now we have to rename the extracted directory. Then we have to move the Monstra directory into the /var/ww/html directory using the move command. Now go to HTML directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Monstra directory. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Monstra CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create monstra.conf file using the Vim editor. Change insert mode. Then here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the monstra.conf file. Then we have to enable the read-write module. After enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Give our IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. After restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give our local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Here it will show on Monstra installation. So first of all we have to select our language. Then we have to check PHP version and PHP modules. Then file permission. Then we have to click continue. Then here it will show on site setting and admin user setting. So we have to fill the site details and admin credential. First of all we have to give site name, then site URL, then give admin username, then password, then select your time zone, then give email address, then we have to click install. Then here it will show on Monstra has been successfully installed. Then if you want login your admin page, click login. Then here it will show on a login page of Monstra CMS. So we have to give username and password. Then click login. Here it will show on a Monstra CMS profile page. Now you can able to edit the profile. Now we have to click administration. Then finally we can see admin page of Monstra CMS. Now we can able to use in this Monstra CMS application. That's all about for installation of Monstra CMS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.